John, the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about, well, a design flaw that Milwaukee unfortunately made with their half-inch socket, specifically Impact. Now, in the past, I've praised Milwaukee's Impact sockets, especially for their laser etching that just does not go away. I mean, it has been the best laser etching that I've ever experienced. The Matco stuff, the Craftsman stuff, that all fades immediately. Every other brand I've tried, it doesn't last. And the Milwaukee stuff have gone through heck with, I mean, they were on my oil drain for years testing them. They sent me a partial kit. They were just the oil change sizes, so I went ahead and stuck them on my oil drain and used them for oil changes. The thing is that they still looked fantastic. They were easily legible. Loved them. Socket-wise, good quality. Didn't have any problem with spreading, with wear. They worked great as impact sockets. They worked great as sockets. But unfortunately, when they came out with the half-inch drive stuff, and deep especially, now the best way to put it is how they're not all that deep. I mean, the 22 is not horribly small, but the 27 is a great example of, well, it's not deep enough. The problem comes when you get to the bigger stuff like this 27. It's not deep enough for certain situations. Yeah, regular 27, it'll probably fit fine. But like a CV axle where you've got a long stud and a 27 millimeter, it won't. There's other cases where this is just not deep enough. It makes them seem cheap. I mean, I hate to say that, but the sockets overall are good. I've been really happy with the Impact sockets and how they work. I think the rest of the line is great. I don't have any other issues with their sockets not being deep enough, but I think they did make a mistake with packaging when it came to the half-inch drive stuff. So just an FYI, if you're looking at Milwaukee sockets, might look at something different over the half-inch drive if you deal with kind of some deeper studs. Even on the 22, every now and then a control arm nut is going to be too deep. Might be able to get it, but just something to be aware of when it comes to these sockets is that they do have some of those kind of issues. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.